it's me Kian and I'm back with another video on Scratch. In the last video, we learned how to make a project. In this video too, we are going to do the same. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, which is Kian Code Academy. Please also view my website, which is codewithkian.com. Let me show you. Click over here. This is my website. You can click here and it will show you my videos. If you click over here, you can subscribe to me on YouTube. Click over here. I have made 5 videos. This is the first, second, third, fourth and fifth. My videos will be listed over here. You can even communicate with me. Just click over here. You can give your name and email address and then tell us your message. Now let's start the real work. Open your Scratch app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can see my first video. We are going to make an animation in which 2 cats will communicate to each other. Or you can even make where 2 people communicate with each other. Let's make the second one, in which 2 people will communicate with each other. You can choose any sprite you want. I am choosing Devin. Choose the chalkboard backdrop. Choose another person. Like Abby or Avery. Click over here. Then click over here. Change it to -90. Now, go to the Costumes tab. Choose the Ben D. Now, we see that he doesn't have a neck. We will make a neck. Guys, we cannot make the neck. So let's just go back to the code area and make them talk. Take the when green flag click block. Do the same in the Devin. Take this block. Now take this block, right click it, then click on duplicate. We will change this to 2. Now take that block again, right click it and do the same. Make him say hi. Take this block in Devin. Take this block too. Right click it. Name him Mr. Devendra, or you can even name him Mr. Devin. As he will be the teacher. Duplicate it. We will make him say his introduction. So, make Mr. Devin say what is your name. Now click on Ben. Make him say, "My name is Ben." Attach it. Make Mr. Devin say, "What is your age?" Attach it below. Make Ben say, 11 years old. Now attach it below. Make Mr. Devin say, "Where are you from?" Like Brazil, the United States of America, attach it. Make him say, "I am from the United States of America," or you can write it as the USA. Attach it below. Make Mr. Devin say, "Bye." And then make Ben to say bye. Test it. This is sounding all clear. But we have to make some sound. Go to sounds. Go to choose a sound. And choose the school bell or search the bell. Now we will go back to the code and attach this here. Do it again. Attach it over here. Rather, take this block and delete it. Plate. Now plate. It is going perfect, but we have to add it to 2.5. Plate. Wait 2 seconds block and delete it. Plate now. So guys, this was our project. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned. It's me, Kian, and I'm signing out. Bye bye.